Hey, hey, hey. How y'all doing today? Yes, this is your Faith coming back to y'all. Got some smothered steak with gravy, mashed potatoes, and bread. Yes, family, I haven't seen y'all in a while. Man, this coronavirus is really messing us up. So what's been going on? Our sister girl is back. I got to get a thumbnail. Is that a good one? This is an Angus beef steak. I smothered it. I cooked it for maybe about an hour and a half. Family, I really missed y'all. I haven't been on in a couple of months. Been working. I just need to take a little break. But I'm back. I hope y'all doing well. Hope everybody is safe. And I hope everybody is going out less. Only way you need to go out if you got to go to work, go to the grocery store, or medical reasons. I was out today, yesterday, day before. All of the toilet paper is gone. I know I got my favorite. Ooh. For all you burp lovers, I haven't forgot. Ooh, Lord. Look at this gravy. I had a taste for this today. I took my time. I made this gravy. I was listening to a gentleman today, and he was talking about how his body felt funny at first. He said he knew something was a little off. He said for a couple of days, he was getting soreness of the brow, and he was running a fever. He said he went to the hospital, and he was in there for 2 weeks, and they was telling him that he had a pneumonia, but they didn't know what kind of pneumonia this was, and they hadn't tested him for the coronavirus. So he said that after a couple of more days, they came in there and they told him he had the coronavirus. So he was like, what are y'all going to do for me? And the doctors told him to just pray. And he said, pray? He said, you mean to tell me y'all can't help me? So he said he sat there in the dark and he prayed. So he said the very next day, they came back in there, ran some tests on him, and later on they came back And they said that he didn't have it. Tell me what God won't do. Boy. And I was watching video earlier today on the Chinese, how they over there killing them dogs. I mean, they burning them alive. One dog, I seen it on Facebook, where they took him. They actually had this poor dog in a pot. And while he was alive, and the poor dog was just hollering, and the man would just turn him over. You know, how cruel can you be? And who don't like Chinese food? But I said, after this, no more. Sister girl would not be going to no more Chinese restaurants. Sorry to say. As much as I like it, Whew. Y'all know I miss these burps. Y'all look at this steak. Look how thick it is. Boy, I tell you. It almost looks like a pot roast. And these are the Idaho potatoes. I mixed a little sour cream in here. Put some butter and some garlic salt. I'm telling you, they bang. Bang. Ooh, look at that. Look how thick that is. Ooh, This is the time where families need to stick together. I have never seen anything like this. But everything that's happening, it speaks in the Bible. Have to get it right and tight. You just never know. Let's think about it. About 2 weeks ago, you can go where you wanted to go shopping, eating. Now you can't even go in the restaurants and eat. You have to order takeout. And then it's not really safe to do that. You gotta think about it. They don't know, you don't know if you got the virus or not. Because some of us don't have any symptoms. I got a little nervous My breathing been messing with me. But I doubt if that's what it is. But you just don't know. They say these young peoples are the carriers. A lot of them. And they out here just partying away. I'm at a spring break. And they go enjoy themselves. If they catch it, they catch it. They don't have a care in the world. But as that man was explaining it, he said that's the most worstest feeling that you can feel when you can't breathe. And I know. I don't know nothing about the coronavirus. But when your breathing starts acting up and you can only walk like 5 feet and you get hesitant of the breath, it's going to make you think. I'm going to stay my butt in the house until they get this under control. When we're talking about the kids probably won't go back to school until next year. First they said July, then they said August, and now they talking about the rest of the year. Y'all comment down below. Let me know how this has affected you and your family and your life. And this is the time for families to get together. This one you could be playing board games, reading, something that we don't even do anymore. Get a good book. Now they got audio book. But it's nothing like sitting down reading. You actually reading the book for yourself. You know, and this is a time, just take time out to get to know one another. And why I say that is because if you notice, you go to family houses, everybody is sitting around on their phone. Including me. I'm guilty of it. Nobody is really talking. Everybody in their phone. Social media and technologies have took over. I'm getting full. I'm telling y'all, this steak is good. I actually, the other day, had some pot roast in the can. It's different. It don't taste like when you actually cook it. Ooh. Ain't nothing like some homemade food. But family, y'all will be seeing more of me. I miss y'all. I'm glad to be back. Please comment down below. Let me know what's going on with you. Let me know what you're going to do. And give me some ideas while you're in the house. because it seems like everybody's going to kind of be on lockdown. And if you have not subscribed to the Yo Faith channel, please subscribe. Give me some thumbs up and comment down below. Until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Peace.